Hi there, students. Cadge, to cadge. And maybe you could have a person who cadges, a cadger. Okay, this is an informal British word. It means to beg, to get by begging. So could I cadge a few quid off you? So to cadge is to obtain something by using intelligence or cunning. To persuade somebody to give you something that they might not normally give you. Or to persuade them to do something for you that they might not normally want to do. I'm going to try to cadge a lift home from my boss today. Okay, so it's got the idea of to ask for or to beg for something that you're not strictly entitled to. You're taking a bit of a liberty. Yeah? You can cadge things off friends. You can even cadge things off unknown people. This is to play on their generosity or their charity. So he spends his life cadging lunches of old school friends. So he's getting them to buy him lunch through their generosity, through their charity. He's manipulating them a bit. He spent all evening cadging drinks at the bar from people he knew but not very well. To cadge, to sponge, to freeload, to scrounge, to be a parasite. My friend gave up smoking, and now he spends his life cadging cigarettes off me. So notice, to cadge something off somebody. To cadge a lift off my boss. Yeah? He asked if he could cadge a lift off somebody. Off, double F. He spends his life cadging off his mum. Getting things by abusing her generosity. Getting her to feed him and lend him some money. So don't try to cadge any more money off me. I've had enough. I'm not giving you any more. I've been very generous already, and this is the line. You're just a cadger. Okay? So to cadge, to beg something off somebody, maybe that you're asking for a bit more than you normally should or would normally be reasonable. Yeah, so to cadge something, slightly dishonest, slight bit of trickery. Notice a cadge has another meaning as well, but this is very specific. A cadge is a padded wooden frame to carry around hawks, birds of prey, to carry them to the field. So if you're going hunting with hunting birds, you would take the birds out into the field on a cadge. So notice, to cadge, a regular verb. He cadged a fiver. He's cadged a fiver off me every day for the last week. And it's a regular verb, yeah? As I said. Okay, what about the formality? This is informal and it's British. I'd probably give it a 3.5 informality. This is for an informal conversation. You wouldn't use this in something semi-formal or something formal. I think more formally, to beg, maybe that's semi-formal, to beseech, to obtain, to borrow. Okay, so just in an informal conversation. I don't think it's a word for writing. This is something to say. Now, what about the origin? Well, in 17th century English, a cadger was an itinerant salesman, somebody who went round selling things, a hawker. Notice the wooden frame. This wooden frame is going to be the thing that he has his things for sale on. A peddler, yeah? So I guess this person, they need to be cunning to get you to buy their stuff. So, to cadge, to ask for something that maybe it's a little bit more than you should be asking for. So, here's my opportunity to cadge a rating off you. If you enjoyed the video, give me a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To Cadge.